Selam. Selam. Selam kupuma. Hi. You say hi to daddy? Huh? Did you say hi? Hi. Hi. Good boy. Hi, good boy. You want peanut butter? Do you want to have peanut butter now or later? You're a good boy. Hi. Hi. Give me a kiss. Foot kiss. Give me your foot. Hi. Hi, good boy. Hello. Hold it, hold it. Yes. Good job. Good boy. You was a good boy today? Huh? Joseph was a good boy. Don't to my face. Yeah, give it to daddy. Not finished yet? Don't drop it, okay? Give it to daddy, Joseph. Give me the spoon so later I can give you more peanut butter. Okay? Don't drop the spoon. Give it to daddy. Give me. You want more peanut butter? Give daddy the spoon. Give it to daddy. Give me. Good job. Later I give you more peanut butter, okay? Good boy. Give me a kiss too. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I miss you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Hi. Hi. Yoo-hoo. Yeah, down. Step down. You're gonna go up there. Go up there. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Go up there. You're gonna go take shower. Shower. Do you want to take shower with daddy? It's been a long time you didn't take shower. Yeah? Let's go shower. Let's go take shower. Joseph going to take shower with daddy. Good boy. Here, step down here. Let me take my clothes off. Step down. Go down. Jojo, down. Be good boy, Tigger. Listen to daddy. Go down, good boy. Go. Step down. Down, 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 down. Step down, down. Good boy. Yes, good job. Step down here. Down. Good boy. Don't touch daddy's watch. Don't touch daddy's ring. Okay. Look at you, so cute. Cute naman cute. Cute boy man. Be careful of this. I miss you. I miss you. Let's see your little feet. Hi. Good boy. You were a good boy today. Yeah, you was a good boy today. I know that. Right? Yeah. Okay. Stay here, be right back. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go shower.